Well, I got some great help today to get this box opened.
Yep.
Good, good. Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth
I'm Carlie.
with Live Simple.
Live free.
Yep. And of course I have my very best assistant today.
She took my line.
Yeah, you took Grandpa's line. Okay, so that's great. So today we have, we're going to be opening the Lev Haolam subscription box that comes every month. Lev Haolam means Heart of the World, and this is a subscription box from Israel. A lot of businesses, farms, artisans that live in like Judea and Samaria, right in the heart of Israel. And this gives them an opportunity to be able to have their products go out all over the world. I think it's wonderful. So it's usually got a theme, and let's open this one up and see what it's got in it. Carlie is definitely hoping for some chocolate today. I don't blame you. I'd love to see some too. Yes. Here we go. Let me get that.
I'm just gonna steal it.
Now, do we want to try to guess what's going to be in it first? Okay.
I get too vague.
Too vague, yeah. There's going to be stuff. Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna guess at least one thing. So you guess one thing and I guess one thing.
Okay, you guess first.
Okay, there's gonna be something that starts with a vowel.
Whoa, something starts with a vowel. How about something that has to grow in a tree?
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. As usual, you can tell before it even opens how good it smells. Like I said, smell-o-vision would be really nice.
Just smell cat. Sorry.
It's a cat.
The cat is everywhere.
He loves Carlie, so he's right up in her face all the time. Okay, smells and tastes of the Holy Land, the pantry. Okay, see what our first thing is here. Looks like
Volume 3.
Volume 3, a cookbook.
Cooking in the Heartland.
Yeah, it's called Cooking in the Heartland. Oh, cool.
Got some very nice pictures. I think that's some
it's
cheese.
beautifully produced. All sorts of recipes from braided cheese sticks with olives. Yum.
Green tahini.
Tahini. Oh, I love tahini. It's made out of sesame seeds.
Salad.
Tabbouleh salad, eggplant, tomato. Ooh. Eggplant and tomato salad with tahini and date. I wonder if there's
Date
tahini
honey.
in this. Date.
Is there gonna be date honey in here?
I bet you there's date honey or tahini in this for sure.
Harira.
Right?
I probably butchered that. I'm sorry.
And it talks about the people that are giving the recipes, which I always think is so interesting. Mushroom baked potatoes. Oh, now that looks.
I could eat that.
That looks really good. Neat. It is a beautifully produced, hardbound cookbook with lots of wonderful recipes from Israel. Oh, zucchini fettuccine. All right. Oh, isn't it? It's just absolutely beautiful. Volume 3. Shared culinary traditions of the Holy Land, shared with our supporters. With this collection of recipes, all shared by Lev Haolam product partners, you'll not only be cooking as we do in Israel, but you'll connect to the culinary heritage of the Jewish people. Oh, cool. This beautiful book. Ooh, this is looking very interesting already.
Flavors of the Holy Land.
Yeah, flavors of the Holy Land. Let's see what that is. Oh, it smells so good.
Ooh, spices.
Neat.
That starts with a vowel.
The what?
That starts with a vowel. Yeah.
F?
F is a
Consonant.
They give desert spice. And now you know that I cannot spell or
Yes,
English
you can.
at all. No English.
I don't mind if we go ahead and pop the little protective thing off so you can really smell it. Because I'll be using them. I love the spices.
Kind of like herby.
It's almost, it's got that chili in it. It's really nice.
Something that you put on tacos.
It
Garlic
smells.
salt, coriander, vinegreek, paprika.
Huh. Well, that sure has a beautiful. Of course, I love Caminos anyway. I love cumin. Galilean Hill spice.
Steak, beef on the grill, smoked beef, roast beef. Actually, it says what it's good for. Chicken, smoked chicken, baked vegetables, cooked dishes, baked dish.
Yum. Yeah, I'll let you know what they're like especially good for. Oh. What is that? It's really nice. Oh, I think I'm really super enjoying the garlic in there, but there's just all sorts of stuff.
Black pepper, garlic, thyme,
This up, isn't that cool?
mustard seed.
Yum, yum, yum.
Jordan Valley spice.
Okay, so
Stuffed dishes, meatballs, meat soup, oven beef cut, baked cuts. Baked beef cuts, sorry.
so there's the Negev Desert, the Galilean Hills, and then that one is
Jordan Valley.
the Jordan Valley. Oh, cool. Alrighty.
We're just smelling stuff.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I'm looking forward to using these. I love using the spices I've gotten from Love Island. If you want to put them back in that cute little bag, you can. Oh, that's a little, okay, information here. These wonderful blends are the product of a collaboration between Bar Spices, a Samaria-based spice factory, and Yehuda Miller of Spices of Gush Etzion. The blends were inspired by the different regions of this rich country, and they bring the flavors of the land of Israel to your table. And there's recipes in here using those specific spices. Cool, I will try that. I do love the spice mixes. I've used them. They're really good. Okay, so I guess it's my turn. Homemade in Israel olive oil based soap by Saban Eden. Handmade in Israel. Oh yeah, Shalom. I'm Eden Avieli from Jerusalem. The lands surrounding this extraordinary city are made up of green mountains and natural springs that enchant and inspire me. Yet despite my love for Jerusalem, this last year I moved to a small village in Israel's north overlooking the beautiful Golan Heights. This move allowed me to find a new home for my business. For the first time I have an actual workshop rather than my home kitchen, and I now employ 2 local women who are helping me grow my business. So we're excited to send this soap to you, soap that we crafted with love and infused with blessings of health and contentment. We hope you enjoy it. Very nice. Let's get a look at this soap. Oh yeah, you can tell that is so natural, homemade.
When it's got little chunky dirt bits in it.
Well, they're not dirt. That's
like rose petals.
Oh yeah, it smells so good. It's got rose petals in it. All sorts of really natural, lovely ingredients with some lavender, geranium essential oil, and rose petals. Oh, that smells so good. I love stuff like this. You can see it's just all natural.
Chunky. The chunky stuff's the good stuff.
Yeah, I mean, it's just natural plants that are good for you. Okay, it's your turn, dear. Have we had anything that grows from a tree yet? I'm trying to think of it. Any of those herbs or spices.
Popcorn.
Popcorn? Oh, cool. Gourmet popcorn from Jerusalem.
Hailing from the Big Apple, the properties of Heavenly Pop made Aliyah to the land of milk and honey some 30 years ago. Our products are handcrafted with only the finest and freshest ingredients available. To make sure every bite is perfect for your snacking or gift-giving needs, direct from our factory in Jerusalem, we are Israel's finest gourmet popcorn.
Yes, dear, you can go right ahead.
Let's try to do this properly. Okay.
Here, I'll throw that away for you, the little pieces. Okay.
Remember the last time
The
the
trash
popcorn
can.
was really good?
Uh-huh.
It's the exact same popcorn. It's really good.
And you're enjoying that one? It's called Heavenly Pop. Let me see it for a second here. Okay, so this person moved from the Big Apple. The proprietors of Heavenly Pop made Aliyah to the land of milk and honey some 30 years ago. Okay, cool.
I usually don't like fancy popcorn. This is really good.
That's really good. I'm really trying to stay away from sugar right now. So you're welcome to help yourself. Make sure there's some for Grandpa to try a little bit. But yeah, you're welcome to have some, sweetie. Okay, now from the Golan Heights Sweet and Nutty Trail Mix. Have you seen anything starting with a vowel yet? Olive oil soap.
Olive.
Olive, okay. Well, this has nuts in it, and those grow in trees.
Okay.
So we both found one. Okay, this is almonds and cashews and dates and from the Golan, a sweet and nutty trail mix from the Golan Heights. Let me read anything about them. I always like to give a little bit of information. It'll be in the little booklet. But this looks wonderful. Oh my, that does look good. Let me try just a nut.
Oh, it's sticky.
Yep, it's got good stuff on it. So it's a sweet and nutty trail mix. Of course, you're welcome to have some. Help yourself. Okay, it's your turn.
Anti-aging eye cream.
We've had stuff from that company before. It's usually really good stuff. This is from Herbs of Kedem. Anti-aging eye cream.
Does it smell?
Oh yeah, it's got extracts of plants grown in the Judean desert next to the Dead Sea, as well as actual Dead Sea water. It rapidly permeates into the epidermis. It soaks into the skin. Let me see what
It doesn't really smell like anything.
Okay, well they probably don't want to put a lot of perfumes on it. Let me just, I can't put it on my eyes until I check it on my skin. It's coming. There we go. It has to get started. See?
I like the little bottle.
I do too. Yeah, very nice. Let me rub this in. Oh no, that's a really light, delicate smell. If this doesn't bother my skin here, I'll try it on my eyes. Pretty cool. All right. Handmade Israeli tomato pesto from the Negev. It's boutique, which means uniquely, they make unique stuff. Family-run factory is located in Moshav Kadesh Barnea in the Negev desert. Using the best agricultural produce from the Negev and around the country, the factory produces spreads, jams, and sauces. I can't read the Hebrew. I'm trying to think of the name of the company. Olive oil from Samaria, tomatoes from Kadesh Barnea, basil from Hasiva. So, Handmade Israeli tomato pesto. Okay, find wonderful recipes for pasta and fish that include this. We're having fish this week. It's on my menu. That include recipes that include this pesto russo on pages 47 and 48 of the cookbook. Oh, that is going to be so good.
Open it.
Because I'll be using it right away. I'll put it in the fridge and then I'll be using
I love
it.
that sound.
Yeah, isn't that a great sound?
It smells like pesto.
Oh, that's going to be
Oily,
oily,
tomatoey.
rich, tomatoey. Yes.
Essence of sauce.
Yep. That's going to go right into the fridge, of course, now that it's opened. Okay.
Oh! Kabukin peanuts. Oh. I don't really like peanuts, but that's fine. You can enjoy them.
Yeah, I can have peanuts.
Allergy information, choking hazard.
Of course, they have to do that.
Energy,
Just be careful with
calories.
kids.
No information.
Of course, we have our wonderful book here, the Lev Hayolam little booklet that comes. And talking about the 17th of Tammuz.
Well, it contains wheat.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah.
Well, Grandpa can enjoy them, or you can enjoy them, or...
I'll try one.
Yeah, it's in the shell, isn't it? Crack it open.
I don't know how to eat this.
So let me see, I want to find out. This, of course, talks about the different people that are contributing to this. There's always recipes in here. Of course, they've also given us a complete cookbook this time. So, yeah, I don't see recipes because we got a whole cookbook. The Sweet and Nutty Trail Mix by Yitzhak Roth and Dodie Spector. The Tomato Pesto is founded by Oksana and Handmade. Desert Magic is a boutique Israeli company. Oh, how fun. And then it gives longer articles about the different people that are involved in all of this. It's always so interesting. They seem to be very kind people that really love to produce things that are going to be a blessing to somebody and help just the country to prosper. Oh, and a 10% off your next shop order from the Lev Hayolam online shop. Well, that's really cool. So if you want to order something online, they give you 10% off. That's cool.
Are you over here smelling the pesto?
I was going to say that pesto smells so good. Now, one of the things that's always in this magazine is just a little bit of news. And I don't usually read them. I don't want to take too much time. But I want to read about one of them because this really is cool to me. Two things. We need to know what the BDS is. It's called the Boycott, Divestment, and Sanctions. And those are it's some policies that just keep Israelis from being able to sell their products and want people to boycott them. It's been very, very difficult for a lot of the businesses in Israel because they do end up with this BDS happening. And it's one of the reasons why things like Lev Hayolam and there's other subscription services are really good because it gives them a chance to sell these wonderful products that they've grown and produced. But I just think the world of Queen Elizabeth in England. I think she's a dear. She's 96 now. She's done an incredible job as queen for all of these years. Let me read this one little section that's in the little news magazine from Israel. There are many evil forces in the world that express hatred of Jews and wish to destroy the state of Israel. One of the biggest movements to rally these forces is Boycott, Divestment, and Sanctions, BDS, which is trying to damage Israel through disturbing economic ties. The Queen of England recently took a firm stance against this group's evil intentions when she announced that the British Parliament will legislate new policies to fight BDS. This statement is an important step in the right direction. It confirms what most of the world already knows, that the Jews have the right to live and work in their ancestral homelands. Just, you go, Queen. I just think that's really cool. So, it's always really interesting to read. So, all right, sweetheart. I'm glad you're enjoying that. We found something that grows in trees, and we found something that starts with a vowel. So, yep, olive oil soap. So all of this looks great. I'm going to use some of these cooking this week because it'll work with some of the things I've had on my menu anyway, and it's going to be really fun looking through the cookbook. So, all righty. Well, thank you for joining us today. Thank you, Carlie, dear. And it's always fun. I always wait to open it until I can do it with you guys. Oh, it's hard to wait sometimes. But I'm glad Carlie could join me today. She's my best box opener, helper, person. So that is our Lev Hayolam box for this month. So, alrighty. Alright, love you guys. This is Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free.
You be blessed. And we love you. And we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.